Hello friends, my journey continues and today I am in Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur is a city where vast tropical jungles meet ultra-modern skyscrapers. Today I'm taking you on one of the most beautiful walking tours in the heart of the Malaysian capital. We begin our journey at the famous pedestrian bridge, the Saloma Link. Just look at this architecture. During the day, its glass panels shimmer beautifully in the sun, and the structure itself resembles a traditional Malay leaf arrangement, Sirih Junjung. At night, the bridge lights up so vividly. This bridge isn't just a pretty crossing over the river and highway. It's a true time machine that transports you from the old district of Kampung Baru straight into the glowing center of the metropolis. And yes, it offers one of the best views of the city's main symbol, the Petronas Towers. Let's head toward them. The pulse of the city. As we descend from the bridge, we immediately dive into the rhythm of modern Kuala Lumpur. Glass giants of business centers, hotels, and corporations rise all around us. Along the way, we come across the ASEAN Malaysia 2025 installation. Kuala Lumpur is actively preparing for its chairmanship of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, and the city is literally breathing development and innovation right now. Notice how clean and green it is here. Malaysians work very hard to harmoniously integrate nature into the urban environment. Even amidst overpasses and heavy traffic, you'll always find well-tended palms and neat alleys. The iconic Twin Towers. And here we are at our destination, the Petronas Twin Towers. 452 meters of glass, steel, and majesty. For a long time, they were the tallest buildings in the world, and they remain the tallest twin towers on the planet to this day. When you stand right beneath them, the scale is breathtaking. Check out the famous sky bridge on the 41st floor, which connects the two towers. The architecture of the Petronas Towers is inspired by Islamic motifs. If you look at them from above, they form 8-pointed stars. This is an absolute must visit for anyone coming to Malaysia. KLCC Park, a tropical oasis. After rounding the towers and the Surya shopping mall, we enter KLCC Park. This is a true tropical oasis in the middle of the concrete jungle. At the entrance, we are greeted by that famous photo spot, the bright red KLCC sign, where every tourist simply must take a photo. Here, life slows down. Locals and tourists alike stroll around the man-made lake symphony. Look at these stunning metal sculptures of whales and dolphins leaping out of the water. Against the backdrop of the mirror-like surface and reflecting skyscrapers, it looks spectacular. In the evening, there's an incredibly beautiful musical fountain show with lights and music. But even during the day, it's the perfect place to relax in the shade of the trees. A hidden gem for families. Walking further through the park, we find a real escape from the equatorial heat. Yes, you heard that right. Right in the center of Kuala Lumpur's business district, there is a huge, free children's wading pool with crystal clear blue water and man-made waterfalls. It's an incredibly brilliant idea by the city planners. While parents relax on benches in the shade of sprawling trees, children can safely splash around and run through the waterfall steps. The atmosphere here is very relaxed and family-oriented. Looking at this, you realize that Kuala Lumpur is a city built not just for business, but for the comfortable life of its people. Closing. And that was it. The ideal walk through the center of Kuala Lumpur. From the space-age architecture of the Saloma Link to the refreshing cool of the KLCC Park waterfalls. This city knows how to surprise you and make you fall in love at first sight. If you enjoyed our walk today, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Would you want to take a dip in a pool like this with a view of the Petronas Towers? See you in the next video. Bye bye.